Hi Eric, my name is Michaela. I spoke on the phone with Jay today, who told me I could send this video over to you. I'm just doing quick 5-minute videos just showing you how to get brand new leads from your website alone, as well as discuss your overall online presence. So let's get started. Well, to start, I do have a background with digital marketing, and I can tell you that Google looks at 3 specific aspects when ranking websites along their Google platform. Number 1, and probably the most important, is going to be content. And content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your site. Got a little there, mission, and a little on carpet cleaning. Okay, so not a lot of content, but you do have some. So let me tell you why content is so important, as well as give you an example. Anytime you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia always shows up as your #1 search result. Why is that? Well, it's because it has so much content. So every few weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet, finds these content-rich sites, and naturally just starts moving them up the rankings. In doing so, I did some research of some competition in your area, and I'm going to recommend that you have between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content on your homepage alone, for 2 reasons. Number 1, it's going to allow you to be found by Google when they do that sweep of the internet, as well as allow you to outrank your competition in content. So you're naturally going to rank higher than them just for content alone. With that said, on every additional service page, we typically recommend between 750 to 1,000 keywords. We do this for, again, 2 reasons. Number 1, it adds more content to your site, and what do we know about content? Google loves it, right? So the more content you have on your site, the higher up you're going to go, as well as you're going to make it hard for anybody to beat you in the area, because they're going to have to add more web pages as well and more content to outrank you for content. So it's going to make it harder for them to do that. And number 2, it's going to allow us to appropriately put keywords specific content into that web page. For instance, we're going to look up carpet cleaning Charlotte NC and find good quality keywords that people are searching in your area and include them on your carpet cleaning page. This is going to allow for Google to point back to your page and your site anytime those keywords are being searched in your area. So let me take you here to Ahrefs. It just gives me an overall breakdown of how you're currently doing on the internet today. And as you can see, we're getting about 38 people to our website. Most people who are ranking in the top of Google in your area have over 100 or close to 100. So we definitely have some good leads that we could still get for you. So let's have a look at your keywords here that you're currently ranking for. We're currently ranking for your business name on page 1 and into page 2, and beyond that, you're ranking everything else on page 2 and beyond. So what do we know about this day and age? Most people don't like to dig and search beyond what they type into that Google search platform. So the more keywords we can rank for, that's going to put us on to page 1. And the higher up those rankings we can get, the easier it's going to be for people to find us and the more traffic we're going to get to our website. Next, let's look at these 2 numbers here. This UR is directly related to citations. And if I take you here to a basic carpet cleaning Charlotte, North Carolina Google search, we get this GMB, or the Google map. And from the get-go, these top 3 competitors are going to get the most business based on visibility alone. So how do we get to one of these top positions? Well, we get citations, and a citation is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number show up in some sort of online directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages. So the more citations we get, the higher up this we go, and that's what we're going for, right? The more exposure and the more businesses we can get our website and business name in front of, the better. So definitely work on trying to getting some more citations and moving that GMB. That's going to cause this UR to go up as well. For your DR, that's related to backlinks and referring domains. And a backlink is anywhere that your business website is linkable and clickable on another business website. So think Angie's List or Home Advisor. Getting a good referring domain to host our backlink that has a lot of traffic coming to their site is actually going to throw a lot of their influence back towards our site. And the more influence we have pointing back to us, the higher this DR is going to go. People in your area who are ranking high have high UR, high DR, high amount of organic keywords, resulting in high amount of traffic to their website. So those are my recommendations. I hope you found this information useful. Please send me a quick email. Tell me what you thought about this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. But for now, that's all I have for you today, Eric. I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I'll be in touch. Bye-bye.